The iPhone's history is one of the most fascinating tech stories, but it almost turned out very differently. In 2007, Steve Jobs unveiled the first iPhone, a groundbreaking device that changed the world.
This is a day I've been looking forward to for 2.5 years.
Now in 2024, the iPhone 16 Pro Max pushes boundaries again with the A18 Pro chip, Tetra Prism zoom, and possibly under-display Face ID. In this video, we will discuss about iPhone 16 Pro Max's value for money.
The moment the sleek iPhone 16 Pro Max box is in hand, its premium design hints at the luxury inside. As the plastic seal peels away with a satisfying crackle, the lid lifts smoothly, revealing the stunning device nestled perfectly in its minimalist packaging. The cool, metallic finish of the phone catches the light, showcasing its refined edges and upgraded camera system. Underneath, a neatly coiled USB-C cable rests alongside the usual paperwork. But, as expected, no charger. Holding the iPhone for the first time, its weight feels reassuringly premium, the titanium frame adding both durability and elegance. With a deep breath, the power button is pressed, and the iconic Apple logo illuminates the screen, signaling the beginning of a brand new experience. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to deliver a significant performance upgrade compared to its predecessors, making it a powerhouse for both everyday users and tech enthusiasts. At the heart of this upgrade is Apple's next-generation A18 chip, which is designed to be faster and more efficient than the previous A17 chip. This new processor will likely feature a more refined 3nm architecture, improving performance and energy efficiency, leading to smoother multitasking and better battery life. The A18 chip is expected to support more advanced AI and machine learning tasks, enhancing features like photo and video editing, voice recognition, and gaming experiences. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is rumored to include enhanced graphics performance, thanks to an upgraded GPU, allowing for a more immersive experience in demanding apps and games. Whether it's playing high-resolution games, editing 4K videos, or working with augmented reality AR applications, the improved GPU will ensure a smooth. With a greater emphasis on gaming, Apple's optimizations for GPU performance could allow the iPhone 16 Pro Max to compete more effectively with high-end gaming devices. In terms of memory, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to come with larger RAM options, which would further improve its ability to handle multiple tasks at once without lag. Apps will load faster, and switching between apps will be seamless. This is crucial for users who rely on their phones for work and entertainment. Apple is also focusing on improving the device's 5G capabilities, ensuring faster download and upload speeds, with global 5G networks becoming more widely available. The iPhone 16 Pro Max will take full advantage of these faster connections, making it ideal for streaming, downloading large files, and video calling. The improved performance of 5G connectivity will enhance the overall experience for users, especially those in regions where 5G coverage is expanding rapidly. Overall, the iPhone 16 Pro Max will be an exceptional performer, delivering lightning-fast speeds, enhanced gaming, improved multitasking, and optimized energy usage, making it one of the best options for anyone looking for top-tier performance in a smartphone. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is rated IP68, meaning it should survive underwater for up to 30 minutes at 6 meters 20 feet. But how well does it really hold up? Today, we're pushing it to the limits with different water, test splash, submersion, and even extreme conditions. Let's dive in. We splashed the iPhone 16 Pro Max with water, simulating everyday scenarios like rain, spills, and accidental drops into the sink. The iPhone 16 Pro Max has an IP68 rating, meaning it can withstand dust and water, but soap, detergent, and cleaning agents can be risky. Apple recommends only using water to clean the device. if you're submerging your iPhone 16 Pro Max in water for 10 minutes. Here's what to expect and how to test it afterward. IP68 rating. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is designed to handle up to 6 meters 20 feet for 30 minutes, so 10 minutes should be fine under normal conditions. The iPhone 16 Pro Max camera system is expected to be Apple's most advanced yet, pushing mobile photography and videography to new heights. Featuring a triple lens setup, it includes a 4.8MP main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and an improved periscope-style telephoto lens, allowing for greater optical zoom, possibly up to 6x or more. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features a powerful 4.8MP main sensor, delivering exceptional detail, improved low-light performance, and enhanced dynamic range. Building on Apple's quad-pixel technology, the sensor intelligently adapts to different lighting conditions, combining pixels for better clarity and reduced noise. The larger sensor size allows for more light intake, resulting in sharper images and more natural colors, even in challenging environments. With sensor shift stabilization, the 4.8MP main camera ensures steady shots and smooth videos, reducing blur caused by movement. Apple's photonic engine further enhances image processing, optimizing textures, contrast, and shadows for lifelike photos. Additionally, ProRAW support gives professionals full control over editing, maintaining high-resolution details for post-processing. As smartphone photography advances, Apple's 4.8MP sensor sets a new standard for mobile cameras, bridging the gap between smartphones and professional cameras. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features an advanced 4.8MP ultra-wide-angle sensor, offering a significantly wider field of view while maintaining exceptional detail and clarity. This high-resolution sensor captures expansive landscapes, group shots, and architectural scenes with minimal distortion. Thanks to improved lens technology, with a larger aperture and enhanced low-light capabilities, the ultra-wide camera excels in darker environments, delivering brighter and sharper images. Apple's photonic engine and deep fusion processing further enhance textures, colors, and contrast, ensuring stunning results in every shot. Additionally, macro photography is greatly improved, allowing users to capture extreme close-ups with remarkable detail. The 4.8MP ultra-wide sensor not only enhances everyday photography, but also revolutionizes video recording, offering more immersive perspectives in 4K cinematic shots. As Apple continues to refine its camera technology, the ultra-wide lens on the iPhone 16 Pro Max pushes smartphone photography to new creative limits. If you want the fastest, smartest, and most premium smartphone on the market, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is 100% worth it. Whether you're a photographer, a gamer, a business professional, or just someone who wants the best tech available, this is the phone to buy. Product link is in description.